Welcome to the Dishy Duo, a lifestyle show about healthy food and fitness. This season, we'd like you to meet Tom and Jimmy, who are active advocates for healthy living. Join them as they share their best ideas on effective workouts and delicious healthy food.
So we're doing Filipino Style Chicken Curry.
Ooh.
So this is lighter, but very yellow.
Okay.
This will take around 5 minutes.
Yeah.
The thing about browning chicken, it gives the curry more depth and more flavor. When the chicken is already golden brown, you get another pot.
Okay. Yep.
And we start doing the sauce.
Okay.
Smell that.
Smell it
Curry
already. Smell it already, yeah. It's smelling
You can
good.
add the onions now. You get it golden brown.
Yep.
And then we add the garlic.
You happy with that, Tom?
And again, you add it last because
it's
it
getting
burns
there.
quickly. Then we add the curry powder. The thing about curry, you have to stir fry it just to get that fragrance out.
It's smelling really good.
So now it's getting ready. You can add the coconut cream. Smell that?
That one's, it's getting better, isn't it?
Get it up to a boil.
Yep.
And we add the potatoes first. So we add the potatoes.
Potatoes and water.
And the water. It's pre-measured. That's the right amount of water you need to cook it.
Okay.
So this will take around 10 minutes to cook it.
Okay.
That's such a quick and easy curry to make, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's delicious. So, as you can see there, a nice Filipino chicken curry. Very easy to make.
It's just different, isn't it?
Just different.
Yeah.
Lighter. Give it a go.